Good evening and good morning to all the participants. In today's session, we will see account receivables, account receivables, as a company has a right to collect. It sells the goods or the services or credit to a customer. Account receivables, I hope all the participants are able to hear me. Account receivables are assets. Account payables are nothing but the liabilities. So participants able to hear me? Hello. Account receivables represents owned by entities or the organization on the sale of service or a product on the credit. In both business entities, account receivables is executed by generating an invoice or mailing or delivering to the customer. The account receivables uses the same ledger because a sales ledger normally records a sale or a business that has been made in the amount of money received for goods or services. And the next one is the amount of money owed by at the end of each so the sales ledger normally records these three. The account receivables team is at the end of receiving funds on behalf of a company and applying it towards current pending balances. collection and cashiering teams are the part of the account receivables. With the integration of account receivables in the S4 HANA Finance, it's possible to offer to end customer, that is receiving invoices, viewing the account status, and making payments online as a self-service. So the customer can still continue use the functionality to make the systems conversion to SAP S4 HANA. So there are two type of customers. Those are, one is a normal customer and second one is one-time customer. In business, there can be customer or a vendor with whom we really, I mean, uh, whom we rarely do, business. Nothing but called as one-time customer. And whatever the customer or the vendor master that we create is nothing but called as normal customer. By posting a document for one-time customer and vendor, enter the customer and the vendor specific data. If it is not done for the normal customer, to create a one-time customer on the vendor account, we need to assign to an account group that is specifically created for customer and vendor accounts are maintained for each and every company code based on its business requirements. Now let us see the functional changes for account receivables functionality in comparison to SAP ECC. In S4 HANA, operational reporting is built in SAP Smart Business Cockpits. And eliminating the data replication. In S4 HANA, there are more efficient processes for posting and clearing incoming payments, including handling of discounts, integration with cloud such as SAP S4 HANA for credit integration. So is my voice breaking, participants? Because I just got a message my voice is breaking. Is everything okay, participants? And for customer payments, and for digital payments. Now, let's see with SAP S4 HANA, we have account receivables, in S4 HANA, on pre-aggregated customer data, and reporting account receivable analytics, and SAP Fiori user experience introduces all process like account receivables accountant, account receivables manager, cash management, and credit controller. And few apps have been integrated with SAP HANA. In S4, maintain the business partner app, to post the customer sales invoice, create outgoing invoice app, to display customer line item reports. We will use manage, we'll use an app called manage customer line item app. To display the customer balances, and to post the customer returns, we are using create outgoing invoices app. And for incoming payments, we will use incoming payments app. For this app, we will also use transaction code in the S4 HANA. So to create the customer master record, we will use XD01 T code. For customer sales invoice, we will use F-22 T code. To display or change customer line item report, FBL5N, and to display the customer balances, we are using FD10N, and to post the customer returns, we are using F-27. For incoming payments for a customer, we will use F-28. Now, let us do some practical part of it and see on the system. Now, first let me start showing you the configuration settings. Let us open Fury apps. Let us open the Google Chrome. Click on S4 IDS. So here, enter the username. Click on the logon. So here we can see for account group, define the customer account groups and create the number ranges for customer. And assign the number ranges. To the customer account groups. Create a reconciliation account. So these are the configuration steps. So let us open the Fury apps. To define the customer account group, we're going to use the customer account group customer. Click on search. So let us enter the app name. Account group customer. Press enter. Here, let us click on this app. Click on new entry. So here let us enter the account group 4010, enter the description as domestic customer group. Here let us click on the company code data. Just double click on that. Again double click on the account management. So let us activate the optional entry. Sorry, let us activate the required entry. Now let us click on save. And let's click continue. So here you can see the message data was saved. Now let us click on the next entry. So here let us enter the account group 4011 and enter the description as foreign customer group. Now let us double click on the account management. Activate the required entry. Click on save. 4011. Now we will create service customer group. Click on the next entry. Here enter the another account group. (4012) service customer group. Double click on company code data. Let us click save. And click save. Now let us create the number ranges. Let us create the number ranges. Let us enter the T code SPRO and click enter. Here expand the financial accounting. Expand account receivables and account payables. Expand the customer accounts. Expand the master data. Expand the preparations for entering the customer master data. So here we have create number ranges. Click on the intervals. So click on insert line. Enter the serial number. Enter the from number and to number. Enter the from number and to number. And we have to create for 3 types of account groups. So let us insert again. Enter the serial number enter the from number and to number, and create another number range. Enter the serial number, enter the from number, enter the to number. So let's continue to save. Let's continue to save. Click continue. So here the changes were saved, and click back. And again, let us click on back. Click on execution of assign number ranges to customer account groups. Click continue. Click on continue. Assign the number ranges. Enter 40, 41, and 42. And press enter and click save. Click continue. We're assigning the number ranges to the account group. Here we are going to create the custom master record. We will use maintain the business partner app. Enter the app name to maintain the business partner. Press enter. Here we will create the customer. Click on the organization. Select create in BP role customer. Customer financial accounting. So here let us click on create. Enter the title as company. Enter the name. Let us enter the name. So here let us enter the search term. Drag the screen. Enter the street address. Enter the postal code. And enter the city. And enter the country again. Now select the language as English. And now let us click on the company code. Here enter the company code and press enter. Enter the reconciliation account. Click on search. Here we can see the reconciliation account 300302 and select the reconciliation account. Press enter. Now let us click on save. So here we got an error that JEBV-N1 has not been assigned to the customer account group. So let us see the internal numbering. So let us see the internal numbering for standard. Enter the company code. Here we can see the customer as external. Further, click on general data. Click on the navigation mode. Click on the customer general data. Here enter the external customer number 004 and press enter. Click on save. So here we can see the business partner 2001 created. 100200 created. Let us copy this business partner. Let us enter the customer number. Next step is post customer sales invoice. We will create an outgoing invoices app. Let us open the app. Let us open this app. Create outgoing invoices and enter. So here click on the company code. Enter the company code. Click continue. Say here enter the customer number 2004. Press enter. Enter invoice date. Select the date. Press enter. Here enter the amount. So we're trying to enter 1 lakh. Here enter the text. As customer invoices, so enter the G by L account. Press enter. select the sales account, enter amount, enter the text. Now let us press enter. Click on the document. So let us click on simulate. General entry will be generated for customer GBL account. So here it is a customer number and GBL account. Now let us click on back. Click on continue. We can see in general ledger. Click on more. Click on document. Click on simulate general ledger. So here the documents are, the posting period is 06, ledger is 0L. Now click back. Now let us click on more. So here we can see the document with the posted in. Let us copy the document number